Hi everyone and welcome to Sobha Hartland, a leading and luxurious developer based here in the UAE. Today we would like to draw back the curtains and show you what goes on behind the construction of your future home. We at Sobha brand ourselves on saying that we have the best quality in terms of construction, and how we managed to achieve that has been explained via this experience studio. But first, a brief introduction about our chairman, the palace maker himself, Mr. P.N.C. Menon. He started the company in 1976 in Oman as a services and trade industry. Between 1984 to 1992, we worked for the Royal Caboose Mosque as well as for the Palace of the Sultan of Oman. We came to Dubai in 2003, and in 2014, we started the Sobha Hartland project. In 2018, we had the first handover, which is for the Greens Phase 1, and the entire project is expected to be completed by 2025. With over 5 decades of experience in the construction industry, we started the Sobha Hartland project in 2014. As quoted by our chairman himself, some of the most thoughtful details are the ones you don't see. To achieve this, we have become a backward integrated company, the literal definition of the word itself meaning all in one. For example, we have PNC architects in charge of your engineering, architecture and design, Sobha Facades, Sia Landscaping, Sobha Construction, the main contractor on site, and so on and so forth. We do our own design, execution, sourcing, craftsmanship and quality control. Because of this, we can guarantee that our projects will be finished on time and that we will retain the quality that we say we have. Over here, we show you the first exhibit, a concrete wall found in most apartment buildings, exposing the reinforcement, concrete and every layer to ensure you about our quality. On top of this, we have the external insulation facade system, or EIFS for short, including 7 layers, the most important of them being the rock wool insulation, designed for effective sound, weather and fire insulation. We at Sobha believe in luxury and simplicity, which can be seen throughout our construction process, starting with the decking. The decking can be found anywhere you have a water feature. So for example, if you have a pool in the villas or in the community area, this will be the flooring that you will see around it. Made from a special wood plastic composite material, it prevents any water stagnation on top by ensuring 24/7 drainage. Grooves have been made within the panels from which the water can drain, preventing material to wither over time. Underneath the decking, we have what's called the void former, specifically designed to ease maintenance. As you can see, we have the service lines running underneath, so in the future, if any maintenance is required, the labor or technician can simply crawl underneath via a manhole covering and carry out the work. There's no need to remove the flooring or excavate the entire area, hence reducing maintenance costs, maintenance time, and any disturbance costs to the client. Moving on, we show you the facade designed for the villas. Instead of using brick, we're using handcrafted architectural stone veneer, specifically designed to give your villas an exquisite and luxurious look. We at Sobha Hartland believe in a higher sense of quality, so it's no surprise our walls are built different too. For the internal walls, we're using AAC blockwork, or autoclave aerated concrete, designed specifically for better sound and thermal insulating properties. To ensure maximum comfort and privacy, we provide 6 layers for the internal flooring of your bedroom, living room and other common areas. This will remain the same irrespective of whether it's a 5-bedroom villa or a studio apartment. The first layer being a concrete slab, the second one being a rubber acoustic sheet specifically designed for soundproofing purposes, followed with a waterproofing layer and finished with a full body porcelain tile. Next, we go into detail about the designs of our washrooms, starting with the washroom flooring itself. We have 3 layers specifically designed to ensure minimum to no leakage. The first layer being a bituminous paint, the second a geotextile membranes for its protection, and the third a separation sheet for waterproofing purposes. The flow trap has been designed to come on the edge of the tile to ensure a smooth and flush finish. A drainage blocker has been provided inside to reduce maintenance costs in the future. Next, we have a cross-section of the bathtub itself, exposing the different layers of waterproofing provided. On the side, we have a removable tile for maintenance purposes, so in the future, if any maintenance is required, the tile can simply be removed and the work can be carried out, hence reducing maintenance costs as well. For the walls, we have a stainless steel bidding provided to prevent any damage to the walls itself. Moving on, we have a cross-section of the shower cubicle area, again exposing all of the waterproofing layers, the tile inlay work and the slab itself. The last two tiles towards the edge of the wall have been slightly inclined to prevent any water stagnation in the cubicle area itself. Even the tiles used here are slightly different to prevent slippage. To reduce energy consumption, we use solar water heaters in our villas and townhouses, along with air conditioning units from LG. All units throughout Heartland are chiller free, inclusive of duplexes, apartments, townhouses, as well as villas. Next, we see the state-of-the-art Sobha bathroom, complete with thermostatic shower mixer, German standard MEP finishing, and double-layer waterproofing technology. We can see the internal flooring of the washroom as seen earlier. The sanitary fittings, which is basically the sink, water closet, shower tray and the bathtub we saw earlier, are from Duravit, which is a German company. The water faucets from Safnan, a subsidiary company of Sobha, manufactured by Sobha itself. The water closet has a concealed flush tank. The flush mechanism, drainage and MEP is done by Gibrit, again a German company. Next, we have a representation of the kitchen. Any unit purchased in Sobha Hartland, the kitchen has 5 basic amenities pre-installed for your comfort. The hood, stove, oven, dishwasher, fridge and freezer. All of these amenities are provided by Siemens. The warranty is provided by Siemens itself. The size of these amenities will vary depending upon the size of the unit. This is what we install in a studio apartment, but obviously as we move to a 3 BHK, 4 BHK and then to a villa, the size of these amenities will also vary. Currently in the villas and townhouses, we provide an electrical stove, whereas in the apartment buildings, we're providing a gas stove. One cabinet is always reserved for your fire safety equipment, which is mainly your fire safety blanket, fire extinguisher and a gas monitoring system. The engineered quartz stone countertops and cabinets are manufactured in Turkey, everything having a marble glossy finish with a soft close. We have provided an LED down system for your comfort, along with colored sanitary silicone ceilings on the sides. All units in Heartland have inbuilt wardrobes, specially manufactured in Turkey. All doors have a soft close system. The doors are manufactured out of MDF, that's medium density fiber, and the walls are manufactured from chipboard. Next, we show you the main door and internal door. The main door is 54 mm thick, 2.5 meters tall, and the internal door 45 mm thick and 2.3 meters tall. Standard door height in the UAE is 2.25 meters, but since our ceilings are much higher, the doors are also much taller. The main door is thicker for soundproofing purposes. Both these doors are manufactured from walnut wood. They're both fire resistant up to 60 minutes. Ironmongery is from Italy. It has been tested for 3 million operations without fail and finished with a quarter cut veneer. Our next exhibit is the deconstructed balcony, revealing the multiple layers of waterproofing, ensuring minimum to no leakage. We have a cross section of the glass railing and of the balcony door as well. The glass used here is double glazed tinted glass, which is shatterproof. So basically it can crack, but it will never fall out from the facade, which is a safety feature. The glass and aluminum profile is manufactured and installed by Sobha. We have a manufacturing industry by the name of Sobha Facades located in Sharjah. Next, we have a working model of the lift and slide door, manufactured by Sobha to be effortless with a 3-point locking system. Next, we have the hinge door, also manufactured by Sobha, specifically designed to have a rubber gasket on all corners to ensure it's sandproof, dustproof and waterproof. Over here, we have a summarized 10-step process on how construction takes place. We also speak about our quality control team, which is led by Mr. Olaf Wagner, who's from Germany. He has been with the company for approximately 17 years and is responsible for this entire experience studio. He is also responsible for including German and European standards in terms of quality finish, MEP and structural work. At Sobha, we believe in a cloud-based system to ensure the maximum efficiency in our construction process as well as transparency. All construction updates are uploaded online to be reviewed by our senior engineers and senior site engineers. On panel C, you can find some of the companies that we are currently in partnership with. So for example, Konya Elevators, Rack Ceramics, Hilti, Siemens, Schindler, etc. On panel F, we speak about the certified Sobha product, explaining and entailing the different processes we use to ensure the best quality for your future home.